Hi, Joanna here. So I heard that everybody really liked the rainy kits that we got. So let's talk a little bit about our next one, the Stargazing Kit. So here is one of them. So this one is the Earth Kit, and each one is special because it has a little sticker on it. And it is kind of not so much designed towards, but you get like a special planet and a special fact sheet and everything inside. So yeah, let's see what they're all about. Okay, so let me show you what's inside the Earth Kit. Cool, so there's not too much that's different between all of the kits other than certain stickers, colors of the Play-Doh that you're going to get, and also the fact sheet that you get to learn a whole lot more about the planet that you get. So yeah, let me show you what's in some of these kits. Okay, first things first is we have a star map. So what we can do with these is if you look at them closely, you can see all of the different constellations and everything. So this is really cool for a really nice clear night where you want to go stargazing and everything. We have a good map, and it shows you what time of year that you should be looking for and like what's in the sky. So like right now we are in July. So in July we are looking for Gemini. So yeah, this is going to be really cool for those kind of nights. Throughout our kits we also have stickers corresponding to the kit hidden inside. So see if you can find it. If you can find it, awesome. You got an extra sticker to put anywhere. Also, there's a few that have maybe one or two more stickers, though I'm not quite sure which ones. So you'll have to see if you get that extra sticker. Yes. Okay. So the next thing that we have is Peppa in space. So this is really good to just, if you have a rainy day, if it's like later at night, or if you just want to read a cool book, Peppa in Space is an excellent book. It's so much fun. You get to learn all about the cool planets and everything. You get to see the little planet Earth right there, and I think they're on the moon. But it's a really cool book, and it's a really cool read. Also, if you don't end up not getting that, like, second sticker, or third sticker, I mean, we also have some here. It's all good. So yeah, that's our book. We also have another really neat surprise, our glow-in-the-dark stars. So what these do is you can put these anywhere in your house with adult supervision first, and of course asking your parents for permission, and they will go on your wall, they can go on like a side. They're really cool and they glow in the dark. They're very awesome and I hope you enjoy them. Okay, also we have Play-Doh in these as well. And so these are for a special challenge. As I said before, each sticker or each box comes with one of these stickers. You get 2 Play-Dohs in here to either make a planet of whatever your choice is, or to make the one that looks like the sticker that you have. And if you make one, take a picture and send it to us. Show us the cool stuff that you can make. I'm really excited to see it. Okay. Alright, then we also get a bug container! We get these all the time, but the really cool thing that you can do with a bug container is you can catch fireflies in the evening and you can watch them kind of like glow and do their thing in here. It's a really cool thing. We also have a flashlight. Each flashlight comes with batteries in it, so, you know, see? They're all good, no batteries needed. But what you can do with these is you can do a scavenger hunt night. Be careful and make sure that it's safe. Ask your parents before, but maybe you've hidden something throughout the grass. Maybe there's something you're trying to find. Or, if you want, you can do really cool shadow puppets. All of it is really awesome and really good options. Okay, and then, last but certainly not least, we have a whole bunch of glow sticks. I think everybody gets about 10. And so, what you can do with these glow sticks is, well, the options are endless. You can kind of like twirl them around while they glow. You can build really big circles out of them. You can make jump ropes with these. The options, especially with 10, is honestly endless, and there's a lot of cool things. So, that's kind of everything we have on our boxes, but I hope you will look forward to them, and I hope that you're excited for them. Some ideas that you can do with some of these is, with these stars, you can kind of put them on a ceiling, and maybe during a like camping day, so maybe if you like wanted to go outside but couldn't, so you're camping inside, you can put these on the top of your tent, make it look like a night sky. Or if you want, they can be really cool arts and like an art craft that you can hang up somewhere later on. And at night it changes colors, which is really cool. The Play-Doh, as I said before, you can do some really cool stuff, like making planets, but also if you want to make an alien spaceship that flies around, you can totally make an alien spaceship. The opportunities are endless. So yeah, that is the Earth Kit. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you're excited for our new kit. Okay, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.